Tappy activated. Let's break the next stages of creating a meme coin into bytes. Before putting your meme coin on the blockchain, it's important to check the smart contract for errors or weaknesses. This process is called auditing. Let me upload a possible course of action. You can first test your coin on networks like Ropsten or Binance Testnet to make sure everything works well. Once you're confident the coin works correctly and securely, you can launch it for users. The next step is very important. So engage your memory board. You gotta plan the token distribution. You need to decide how many tokens to create, how they will be distributed, and set up rules to make sure everything stays fair and sustainable for the long term. An extra data influx, creating a strong community for your meme coin is key. It'll make your coin more visible. You can promote your coin on social media, forums, or through creative campaigns. Let's take a break to process it all. Tappy deactivated.